Hey guys, Drew Pavlou here. Over the course of my activism, many people have asked me, what business is it of yours as an Australian, how the Chinese Communist Party treats the people of Tibet, treats the Uyghur people, treats the people of Hong Kong. What business is it of yours as an Australian? And I remind people of the universal nature of human rights. These rights don't end at the border. We believe in the oneness of humanity. Just by being born, a person is entitled to certain rights and protections. They're entitled to dignity. They're entitled to be free from persecution, fear, free from the fear of torture, violence, rape, all cruelties the Chinese Communist Party inflicts on the people of Tibet, the Uyghur people, the people of Hong Kong. That's why it's our concern. But for luck in the lottery of birth, it would have been us, These are ordinary, innocent human beings suffering. That's why it's our concern. That's why I protest.